The other day somebody asked me this very question with exactly the same words. In this video I'm going to focus on what the meaning of the figure 6.25 is when it comes to calculating gallons. The question unfortunately is poorly worded. This here is a better version of it. 6.25 is your conversion factor when you are converting between cubic feet and imperial gallons, or from imperial gallons to cubic feet, either which way. You're converting from volume to liquid capacity, or the other way around. 6.25, or as you'll see, 6.23-ish is your conversion factor. This number 6.25-ish can be rounded differently, and it relates to 1 cubic foot and 1 imperial gallon. What's an imperial gallon? Excellent question, I'm glad you asked that. Let me take you off the tripod and we'll show you an actual visual of an imperial gallon. What I have here is an imperial gallon. We know this is an imperial gallon. 4.4 liters is its liquid capacity there on the container. Imperial gallons are not the only gallons that exist. There is another kind, equally dangerous. The US gallon, which has 3.78 liters of liquid capacity. It's kind of important to know how much are you getting for your money, because they're both called gallons and they are different. So the conversion between imperial gallons and cubic feet need a cubic foot. This plywood, OSB board, whatever shape, is a cubic foot. We know this because it's exactly 1 foot in depth, 1 foot in length, and 1 foot in width. Therefore, this is 1 cubic foot. The 6.25 figure, a conversion factor, means that 6.25 of these will fit into one of these. When, say, if you make a fish tank, that's exactly 1 cubic foot on the inside of the glass, then you'll find that 6.25 of these will fill exactly your 1 cubic foot fish tank. For my math explanation, I'm not going to do a practical test or demo. I'm going to use these guys. This is a cubic inch. A cubic inch, just like a cubic foot, is a measure of space, empty space. That's liquid capacity. They're kind of related and similar, but not the same. A cubic inch can be made out of brass, aluminum, brass, wood, ice, whatever. Doesn't matter what it's made of. It's important that it be 1 inch in depth, 1 inch in width, and 1 inch in length. This is the space or volume of 1 cubic inch. Now, 12 inches make a foot, but 12 of these is not going to fill a cubic foot. So 12 is not good here for converting between cubic inches to cubic feet. You are going to need 12, just to get here, times 12 rows of 12 times 12. So 12 times 12 is 144 of these, times 12 is 1,728 cubic inches. That's how you write that's one way to write cubic inches. So you need that many of these little guys to fill a cubic foot. How many of these do you need to fill an imperial gallon? You need 277.4 plus change. It's an infinite decimal number to fill an imperial gallon. So the math is fairly straightforward. Let me put you back on the tripod here. Thereabouts. And this is how it looks. There is our 1,728 cubic inches for the cubic foot, and like I said, the infinite decimal 277.419433, whatever. 277.42 is close enough for most applications. And if you do a fantastic magical division between the two of them, you're gonna get 6.2288 plus change, rest of the decimal digits on a calculator. Do try it. Most people round it to 6.23. It can be rounded to 6.25. Suit yourself, totally dependent on the application and how much precision you want with your calculation. So that's the meaning of the number conversion factor 6.25. This is not necessarily explaining how to use it, that's another video, but this is what it means Just wanted to give you a visual and an explanation. So if you don't remember this conversion factor, what was it? What was that number? Yeah, 1728 divided by 277.42 will get you the conversion factor if you need a memory jogger. Now, I don't know how much of a memory jogger this division is, whether it's easier to memorize a division or easier to memorize a conversion factor. Suit yourself. Thank you very much for watching.